I'd like to just talk about troubleshooting quickly. One thing that can happen when trying to view the AFNI proc quality control HTML. So this is where we left off in our overview video, and we see that there's this green rating here. And in that first video, we saw how we can save comments. If I type Control and then click here, or Command and click here on a Mac, I can see the comment that was saved there. These buttons were active. But sometimes you'll open up the HTML and you'll find that these features are not enabled. And I just want to talk about what's happening and how to troubleshoot that. So here I have a terminal where I'm in the AFNI proc results directory, just like I was when I opened this other browser tab. And if I type ls-ltr, I see my QC directory. Okay, that's great. So now I'm going to type open APQC-in files QC tab in tab. Okay, so this is the exact same command actually that I used to open up this in that earlier presentation. And now if I hit enter though in this terminal, actually I see a different warning popping up, and this is a real warning, and it's actually going to show me that some of these features that I wanted to use are not available. So I can see that instead of this nice cheerful green rate here, this one is gray and crossed out. And instead of these buttons here with text in them, I can still see what they are when I hover over, but they're almost greened out, as it were. And these are just here to remind me that I'm missing functionality that I would like. And if I click on one of these buttons, unlike in the other browser tab, nothing happens. And if I go to one of these buttons here, if I click NV, it opens up Knee and I can browse, and I'm happy. In this case, I'm sad because that doesn't happen. Why isn't it happening? Well, in this case, this warning, and you can see here, even this text just was spit out into the terminal, and that's it. This is telling me that I don't have two of the Flask modules that I need for this interactive server to be running, to be able to interact with the buttons and to be able to have the browser talk to the file system. Conversely, in that previous case, and what we see here is, as I have the HTML open, much like a Jupyter notebook, there's a live terminal connection and I can't actually type anything in the text. This is staying active in the terminal, and so those are all good features. In this case, that goes together. In the unhappy case that I'm actually in now, of not having the buttons active and seeing it, it's because I don't have these modules. Now, if I type the AFNI system check all here, let's run that quickly. We'll see here at the end, where I see the summary of things that I might want to fix, that indeed I'm missing some Python libraries. The Matplot module is not really relevant here, although I really should have it. These are the ones that are affecting my functionality. The Python library Flask and Flask cores are required. Now, how can I get these? On an Ubuntu system setup, actually, if I did the full normal AFNI setup, I should just have these as part of my sudo apt-get install commands. And I can look on the installation pages for that. On Mac in particular, for managing Python and different things, there are different ways you can do it. We often recommend using Conda, or specifically Miniconda. And if I go to the AFNI documentation pages here, if I click on this under the setup for Miniconda, I'll just jump to the setup Conda quick. If I scroll down here a little bit, what I have are environment YAML files. So basically a specific dictionary-like file that lists things I want installed in an environment. And when we provide them here, we do include Flask and Flask cores. So in reality, what I've done on my computer here to make this problematic example is I've actually installed Conda environment to manage my Python, even though I'm on Ubuntu and it's pretty easy to do. But what I did is I deactivated my Conda environment. So if you have been using Conda and you think you should have these installed, you can type Conda env list. And you can see your environments, and maybe the fact is that you just don't have the non-base environment active that you wanted. So if you type conda activate one of these environments that you could set up. So now actually if I try my AFNI system check, we'll see here, and actually it doesn't complain about any Python modules because I had them, but I just didn't have my environment activated. Or it could just be that maybe I forgot to do this part of the installation at all. And so I can install the Python modules that I need this way. Again, there are different ways that you can do that as well, depending on what you're most comfortable with on your operating system. But now that I don't have those warnings, I think if I run open AP, well, here I should be able to search for it. If I run the same command that I ran before now from this dark blue terminal, I get this other warning that I said actually we can ignore. I know it's dire in red, but that's fine. And I see actually the buttons work here. And if I click NV, there we go, I get that. If I click AV, indeed, the AFNI GUI opens up and I can browse how I wanted. So hopefully that helps troubleshoot it. And there we go.